pleasant and joyous afternoon to each and every one of us. I, Ashley Biadoy, and stand here in the front of all of you to deliver my speech about body image and self-acceptance. Why are there people who do not proud to their bodies? And why some people who do not accept themselves? We all know that in today's generation, the fight is the physical body, especially when it comes to the social media, which is a causes a lack of self-confidence and self-full judgment that they cannot accept themselves because of what they see in others. Why we don't build them as who they are as themselves, who can be said to be proud of what we are, in, and let's remove the word insecure to them. Thus, let us stand and build their confidence in themselves. I believe that everyone's insecurity will disappear if there is a support with each other, a supportive environment, free from judgment, as well as with no insecurity to one another. And those ways, like we need to. First, give courage to themselves to be proud of who we are and as themselves, and which comes from the given value, and when they love, appreciate, and help uplift in themselves in every manner they can. Second, accept themselves as an individual and not on what they saw the other people's perspective or qualities. First things first, being a confident, felt that they are valuable and work on their own ways, are the one of the most powerful tool to cultivate self-love, which resulting empowering to be proud of who we are and not to felt even a small way that they are compared to an unrealistic standard set by society. In that kind of way together, let's create a culture over that values authenticity over perfection, encouraging everyone to recognize their worth and beauty. We, all embracing the self-acceptance to support convey the every individual to overcome insecurities. We celebrate our own uniqueness and recognize our worth as an individual. We empowering not only for ourselves but also for the people to do the same around us. In that kind of love themselves, offering self-acceptance and eliminating judgment, let us work together to inspire self-acceptance and remind one another that we are all valuable, deserving, beautiful in our own ways. And that's all. Thank you.